little flop-eared mule.
Over the weekend, I went to a sale that Ithaca Reuse had at the Cortland Corset Factory, and they had lots of cool tools. Maybe I'll do a later video about some of the cool things I found, but this was one of them. And it was in a toolbox with a bunch of other stuff, and I just love seeing wood and metal together, brought together into a tool. And when I researched this is actually a pruning knife, and folds and stores, and I think it might be nice just for like an everyday carry type thing to have in my pocket. So what I want to do, normally I'm intrigued by the age and how this looks, but every once in a while it's kind of a meditation for me as I go through and I clean up one of these tools, and then I actually use it in everyday life. So that looks like it'll fit in my pocket nice. It's not too sharp. It's not going to stab me when it's sitting in my pocket. Maybe it actually closes pretty good, so I'm not worried about that. But I thought you might enjoy a little tool restoration. I've got a green scrubby, a rag, a little bowl with a sponge and a toothbrush. And first thing we're going to do is get all the grease and oil and gook off of this. My guess is this was used very much so. I researched the company a little bit, and this is supposed to be rosewood. Some of these inlays are brass, and this obviously is steel. It's pretty sharp, like it's not cutting me, but it's pretty sharp. So I'll do a little time lapse of the actual cleaning of it, and you'll see the difference after that. We're getting all the grease and oils off of it so that we can actually then clean these up and put new finish on. So the first thing I'm going to do is scrub it. Here we go. It's funny, you can tell sometimes with the wear patterns if a person was left-handed or right-handed when they used this. You see this side right here is all shiny. If you look on this side where it's darker here, I would say this person was a left-handed person, or at least used this left-handed. And I don't want to give all of that, don't want to take all of that away. It actually works a lot nicer also. I wish you could feel that handle. It's awesome. So, there it is. If you see me out and about, say, hey, let me see that knife. I may put a lanyard on that. There's a nice hole for that there, and I think I have some old leather, maybe a piece of climbing rope or something like that. Actually, I know exactly what I have. I've got some old boot shoelaces that are perfect. So, I'll do some pictures of this, and thanks for watching.
We'll finish this off with a little something here, a little some kind of tune for you. Okay? Let's see, my bash cam on PG.